Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily modify any text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Then I want you to click on All Tools and open or edit a PDF. So I'm going to select any file, going to select this one. And from here, sometimes you are wondering why you can't edit anything. Make sure you click on edit over here so you can modify any text or images. So from here, we're going to start with adding any text. So click here. And before you click on any empty space, make sure to modify your text first to your preferred style. So fonts, we have your text size. I'm going to make this big. The color and other things to consider, such as bold, italic, underline, such. So I'm going to do a bold version text in here. I'm going to place it just in this area. I'm going to click anything. So for example, click here or date. All right, 2026. And for the rest, let's just say, for example, I'm going to, or I would like to highlight these two texts. You can change the color. For example, I'm going to mark this red. Like, for example, it's going to be very important. So, all right. So we have red. Same. Going to mark this red. And for this, let's just say I'm going to do yellow. Oh, doesn't look good. I'm going to do dark green. And you see the point. It is now much more organized and people can easily follow through with the color direction. And let's see, if we're going to scroll down, you will also see some numbers over here. You can, for example, I'm going to highlight these sections, right? And I'm going to add some underline on them, right? It's very basic. You just using, it's like using Microsoft Words or writing any normal emails in your Outlook or Gmail. Just need to practice on hand in the Adobe Acrobat to see the layout it provides for every users out there. And that's it. Is how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.